A room with a view of the whole city. Fashion luxury, that's what he's got pretty.
The Gritti Palace Hotel in Venice. A luxury hotel from the Luxury Collection Department at Marriott Bonvoy. And I must say, I also had a fantastic stay here. Let's get to the details. A luxury hotel of old, good quality, excellent staff, fantastic amenities, and above all, for us members of the Marriott Bonvoy program as VIP guests in the Titanium Ambassador status area, I truly had a great experience here, a wonderful stay, and this hotel offers, although it is really expensive with nights starting at $2,000 and up, a quality that is worth every cent spent here. It starts with the fact that I have excellent staff here who provide me with a small, special luxury experience. This means that right at the reception, I am warmly welcomed, I have professional staff who make the check-in an experience, and I am escorted to my room or suite. And here, as a member of the Marriott Bonvoy program, I had the great opportunity to receive an upgrade to a junior suite because it was available. And that means if I check in here at 3 p.m. and then receive an upgrade to a suite along with a late checkout, then that is truly good quality for us members, and we are pleased about it. We can say that it is not just a hotel for guests with high standards, it is also a hotel for guests who are members of the bonus program and therefore have a special advantage. I have looked closely at this hotel. There is a gym here, and there are also various spa options where one can indulge a little. And what I personally particularly like is this style, this traditional aspect, this ancient history that is embedded in these walls, where you can really feel that history was made here. And this is not only shown by the pictures on the wall and the furnishings, but you really have something here where you can also walk a bit through the corridors and where you can say, for example, here I could, to experience finding something that I can only find in this hotel in the world. So a luxury collection hotel is always something where I say, if the properties are too old, then it can have a bit of a smell. They have a good handle on things here, as all the rooms and spaces are well renovated and the windows have double glazing. Nevertheless, a tip for everyone who likes to sleep in a little more. If you are on a canal side, you will certainly be woken up in the morning between 5 and 6 o'clock by the garbage boats, supply boats, and delivery boats, which are quite loud here. Even double-glazed windows can't withstand that. You'll just be woken up. Therefore, my tip is to sleep on a side facing the city and away from any canal, as that at least guarantees that you can sleep longer in the morning. What I find particularly interesting about the luxury hotels here, especially at the Gritti Palace Hotel, is that there is an excellent breakfast, very high quality, and with great pleasure, right down by the Grand Canal, where you can wonderfully see the boats as they pass by in the morning. You have these gondoliers, and then they sing, and you can hear these tenors belting out loudly. And it is truly a fantastic joy to experience such high-quality breakfast, such great staff, and at the same time, to feel Venice so closely. You can feel it. It's wonderful. It brings joy. And all of this truly makes an experience in a luxury hotel in a higher price category starting from $2,000 to $2,500 a night. Yes, really an experience. And that, of course, brought me a lot of joy. There is also the option to take a water taxi directly from the airport here. There are different price categories available. You can either book it directly at the hotel, or when you arrive at the airport, you can also go to the regular public taxi stand, and then you have the chance to return, meaning to the airport, by speaking with the concierge downstairs, who will then book a taxi for you. Everything here in this excellent hotel, and what I must not forget is that I had dinner here in the evening. The quality of the restaurant is good, unfortunately not as good as I had hoped, as the prices are extremely high, and the quality is not the very best. In relation to breakfast, dinner here at the Gritti Palace Hotel was a disappointment. What a shame. But one thing remains, fantastic staff, a well-equipped luxury hotel directly on the Grand Canal with amazing experience opportunities. And one thing is for sure, I definitely want to return to such a luxury hotel. It was really a lot of fun, and now I invite you to join me for a room tour. Let's explore the house together. Enjoy.
I just wanna go further. You don't let me hold me, babe, you. Oh, babe, you, yeah. Give me away your stormy. Let me lay 'cause I'm falling. I need to. I'm so tired of this, I'm tired of the fights, I'm tired of the pressure. I don't wanna go wherever you go, cause love is so wasted. And you got me fist, and I don't want to feel like an heartbreak, but I'm so tired of this, I'm tired of the fight.